Hey everybody, okay, so today we are going to be talking about the Coleman cot. It's the military style cot. It folds up and puts away quite nicely, and I know what everybody wants to know as far as the cot goes is what kind of weight can it hold. In this particular Coleman military cot, it holds 300 pounds, and it is good for a person that is 6'2". And then when it folds up to this size right here, and it comes with this nifty carrying bag so that you can just sling it. It packs away quite nicely. It's not like tents where when you fold it up it doesn't fit back in the sleeve anymore, so it folds away and gets put away quite nicely. The measurements on it is 75 by 30 by 17, and it, like I said, it holds 300 pounds. It's very light and it's easy to assemble. And this is the Coleman Trailhead 2 military style camping cot. So we're gonna go ahead and give you a show just how easy it is to put together. Quick it is to put together, and with ease. It only takes one person to do it and you are good to go. Alright. Okay, so like I said, this Coleman cot, it comes in this easy carry bag, and all you do is you're going to remove the two poles, which is what holds it in the end. You're going to unsleeve your cot. There we go. And then as simple as this, push one side down, pull the other side down, fold, lift, fold, and then open. And that's pretty much it. Other than that, you're going to take your poles and you're going to slide them through here, and then if you look, there are little notches right there, and then there are little pegs that this is going to go into. And then stretch it out, pop it on, and then you do the same thing with the other side. So that's how that works. It is 30 inches wide, 75 inches long. It's great for one person. And let's get some close-ups on it real quick. So there you go. These notches go right into here. That's how it gets put on, and then it stretches this canvas out. And I've had these for a couple of years now, and they have still retained their strength. And I still have to almost struggle with it just to get that nice fit. And so I saved this side so that you can see a little bit closer. You have your hole, and then you have your insert, which goes right in there just like that once you run it through your actual sleeve here as far as the head of the cot. And so that's pretty much how easy it is. The things that I like about it is that it's light and you can carry two, and then the bottoms come with these nice feet that dig into the dirt. In a tent, you don't have to worry about it. I'm getting ready to put these inside of the tent now. And here are the other specs on that. This is the bag that it came in. As you see, 300 pounds. There you go. So there you have it. You have the heavy duty Coleman Outdoor Company Trailhead 2 cot, capable of holding 300 pounds, a person 6 foot 2 inches long, and it's quite wide. I've seen some of the other ones that are extra wide. Those cost twice as much, and I'm happy with just one of these. Sometimes I do, if it's going to be 2 of us, I'll take both of these, butt them together, and then throw on a queen size air mattress, and then you have a bed up off the ground, keeping yourself cool and warm depending on what type of the season you're in. So there you go. The Coleman Trailhead 2 military style cot. Give it 18 thumbs up. Thanks guys. Y'all be safe.